Okay, now we're ready to take the seat off. In the case of this old chair, the seat is held together in the back with a couple of screws. All chairs are different, and sometimes you'll find a wooden plug in this hole and you won't be able to see the screw. You'll have to get that plug out, and we can get into how to take a plug out in a later stage. Right now, I'm just going to, again, go slow and push in hard. Really want to be careful not to mess up the slots in the screws. Sometimes you're going to run into old screws and the slots are messed up, and you don't want to mess them up anymore. Here we go. Come on, darling. Okay, there's one side.